Go.
Hi, we've been asked to demonstrate this Vari-Mixer, which is a typical planetary dough type mixer, any kind of heavy mixing. We've got the unit powered up on 220 three-phase voltage. You see the controls are lit up right here. I'm going to show you real quick. It is operating, but we're getting the agitator is touching the bowl. We're not sure why that is. It seems to be just sitting here, so we don't know if it's correct or whatnot. It's been modified or repaired at one point. The bowl is stainless. The feeder agitator is aluminum. When you run it, as you press against it, you get a little less. I think it's got something to do with location or how it sits in here. We're not sure how that actually goes. The bowl lift is working. And also one other note I'm going to show up here. You'll see there's a little ready symbol up here on the control panel. This is key to a micro switch is inside, so the machine cannot be operated when I put it down. You'll see it goes off, and I raise it back up, and it comes back on. That's a micro switch which doesn't allow the machine to be operated when the bowl lift is not fully in the raised position. So now hit start, it will not go. So I can lower it down. Just pull this out. You'll see some oil on here. We did some lubrication so it wouldn't damage itself. We're going to push it back up, and as you come up, you're going to see the ready light come on once it's fully engaged. You can start. Sounds pretty good, running good. Now you'll see up here there's some speed controls. There is a small motor which controls the speed controller. Now the motor is no longer, the controls go through, but it's not adjusting the speed because the motor has to be replaced. At least that's our feeling at this point. So I'm going to show, well, let me show you one more thing. So the motor also has a manual override. So, and we're going to show you the manual shows this in a minute. Over here, this control is the manual speed adjust. So we're just going to use a little something. And you can see the speed change. So you can, what that does, that controls a variable speed pulley inside here. This micro switch right here, that's the one that's controlling the safety, allowing the mixer only to run when it's in the fully raised position. This is the servo drive right here. This is the speed controlling servo drive. We think it's a servo drive, and it has to be replaced. We do have, Jimmy wanted to show this, we do have all the original documentation with the unit. In fact, some operation controls, and there's actually a note on the programmable control system. So, needs a couple small repairs, so otherwise the machine's running okay. The emergency stop does work. Got our timer on here, what seems to be counting down. Counting up rather, I'm sorry. And I'll show you when the bowl lift comes in, it'll automatically, as I lowered the bowl, it automatically showed off. You come back up, you'll see your ready light come on, start again. So mostly everything's working, just needs these small minor repairs. We're going to adjust our price accordingly and send that to you along with this video. Thanks for joining us today.